Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be doing a different type of walkthrough here. Usually, you guys do see me doing different walkthroughs on many different types of platforms or CTFs. I do want to do a walkthrough for a new platform that I created called VulnVM. Just this platform is going to be just a free platform, so you can sign up free. Nothing's going to be charged, just to test your skills and penetration testing for vulnerable machines. So basically, you can download the OVA file and import it into VirtualBox, right? So we do have different types of machines here. We're going to have easy, medium, and hard machines. Just looking at the first three, we have backend administrator and also other VMs down below. If you just click on backend, this is going to be a medium machine. You'll see all the details here for name, release date, the author, and difficulty. We also do have flag submissions as well for VulnVM. So if you do submit a flag, once you do sign up, you'll see that you do have the first user, which these will update with your name once you do submit a flag for your name, and also for first root. So if you do get first root, your name will be showcased on this page for the status. So we just do have that. We do have the basic configuration. We also do have the download, so you can download the VM down here, and this will lead to a mega site, and we'll have all the VMs compressed into a .zip. Once you do extract it, you'll find the OVA file within the .zip. So here we just do have the basic details. We can go back to VulnVM, and we do have the same thing for administrator for this VM. And you can just download the same thing for administrator. And we do have administrator for vulnvm.zip, and you can just download and extract. We also do have some socials here. We do have a Discord server, which is the name VulnVM. You can just download it. We'll have the community for VulnVM within that Discord server. Make sure you guys do introduce yourselves. I'll be in the server myself, so you guys can go in there and introduce yourselves and talk with other people within the community, right? Make sure you go follow our LinkedIn. We do have an X if you would like to, Instagram. And since this is a free platform, if you'd like to support VulnVM, you can buy me a coffee, right? For that link to support VulnVM. Here you can submit a VM here. You can go to About Us. We have all the fields to submit a VM. So I just want to show you guys also a quick walkthrough of the dashboard. We can just simply create an account, as you can sign up for free. So we do have the main dashboard for VulnVM. Here we just have a simple layout here. I want to give a quick overview, but once you guys do sign up, you guys can visit all the tabs here for submitting VMs, submitting write-ups, the flag. You can view all the write-ups for the community, and also the main dashboard, and I'll view all the virtual machines. So we do have all the virtual machines here for VulnVM. We have backend, administrator, Solitude. We also do have the download link towards the OVA file. So it's the same thing as you did see within the description to download. And you can also view all the write-ups, and you can submit a VM. So lastly, I do want to mention the release date for VulnVM. VulnVM will be released on March 1st around 10 a.m. On a Saturday. I believe it hits on a Saturday. So depending on the different time zones, it will definitely differ. But this will be released on March 1st, 2025. You'll have everything from the website, so you can visit VulnVM, and everything will be ready for download for you guys to start hacking. Well, guys, that's pretty much in the video. Hope to see you guys within the Discord server, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.